I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and I'm going to show you the EasyFlex filters. Carrier makes this in 3 different sizes. There's a 16 by 25, a 20 by 25, and a 24 by 25. The easy way to know which one you're going to need is the last 4 digits on the end of the filter. Media, this is the media, and the last 4 digits are 0016. This is the 16 by 25. So the last 2 digits of this are going to indicate the initial size. So 0016, the 16 is going to indicate 16 by 25. If it ended in 20, it's going to be the 20 by 25. And if it ended in 24, it's going to be the 24 by 25. Everything else in the item number is going to be exactly the same. So it comes in 2 different ways. One is just the media, which is this part right here. And the other one is the media plus the end caps, the plastic end caps. And these are what makes it into a box filter once you expand it. This one with the end caps also comes with this S-flange if it's needed. So if you've never built it before, this may or may not be needed. There's a white piece of paper that tells you how to install this. It just slides on if it's needed. It slides onto a flange in the filter, and there's a diagram in the box that says how to do that. So let's give you the part numbers for these. If you just need the media, which is this part number, it's the EXP XX FIL, that's the most important part. The FIL is just the media, and then it's 0016. So that's EXP XX FIL 0016. So that is just this part that you will need. And on one side of the filter, it's going to have a sticker that has the part number that you would need. Now, it may say UNV, and that means that this was initially sold as a kit that had the end caps. So if you have the kit, and that is this part that comes with the end caps, that's the one that is EXP XX UNV 0016. That's the one that comes with the end caps. So if you already have the end caps, you already have a filter in there, you just take the end caps off of it and you can put it on this media. So you can just order the media. And this is very quick to put together. You just expand the media and then you put the end caps on. And there's little notches on the end of this that the end caps will lock into. The end caps have a little channel on the bottom and on the top, and that's where the beverage board or the cardboard part of the filter will slide into it. And we'll just put one together real quick. So you can just put it down like a tray, basically. This would be the indented side right here. So you put it down flat and you just put one end in, and it's going to pop in right into that little channel, and then the other end in, and you just do the same thing. You pop it into that channel, and then you just take the top and you just pop it on to that channel on one side, and then to that channel on the other side. And that's all there is to putting the filter together. And you're ready. This is basically like a little handle to push and pull the filter in and out. So that's all there is to put the filter together. It has the airflow direction on the filter, and that is the way that you want to put it in. Pay attention when you're taking out your old filter to the direction of your airflow, because you want to make sure that you have it in correctly. This is the front of the filter, and this is the back of the filter that's reinforced with metal. But the airflow arrow is going to indicate the direction. I have links to all the products in the video. You can click on the View Product button, or you can click on the products in the description of this video. Thanks for tuning in to Atomic Filters.